Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm actually here live in Italy. I'm in Europe, guys. Yes, you heard it right. I'm in Europe, enjoying our uninterrupted vacation. We are here at the Venice Canal in New York. No, Italy. Italy. So just imagine guys, natakaroon sa Italy, no? So we're so happy that we're here and able also to stroll the area. It's so beautiful here guys. At higit po diri, Venice, Italy. Look guys, Venice, Italy. So nakalagi ta diri guys sa Venice, Italy. Adto trugid kaayo ato ang laag. Nya wala ka na dahil ta diri sa Venice. Nice kay diri sa Venice, Italy. Look at there, guys. Oh. Our presentation sa Venice, Italy, guys. Nice kayo.
Joke lang ang tanan, guys.